The KZN Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi has forcefully removed Major General Lisicha Sinona from his office. 1st February sifika ngendaba ezithi uLisicha Sinona, the one that was appearing in the Madlanga previous week, hayi bathi Siphundo sigcwele ihlabathi, has been removed from the office, and futhi bathi ama-gadgets wakhe like cell phone, laptop are confiscated by uMkhwanazi. Uyabona uMkhwanazi is cleaning the streets zala eMzansi. Guys, let me know in the comment sections ukuthi nicabangani about these revelations. Niyakhumbula ukuthi 3 days ago ukuthi ngitheni ngithe Good Friday actually i-budget speech yase South Africa angeke ifike. I'm sure ukuthi uMkhwanazi was like, Bafana Msiza, say no more before the end of this weekend. I don't think ukuthi Good Friday of 2026 actually, I do not think ukuthi budget yase South Africa will be delivered in the 25th of February 2026. Meanwhile, this guy, he's still the head of hawks lapha eKZN. This guy, he has brought i-DPCI into disrepute. I'm telling you.